A car care product that a lot of people use is a spray wax. Now, Adams Polishes offers a spray wax, but it's a little bit different than what you would think a traditional spray wax is. Adams Spray Wax is a very effective spray and wipe product. It's extremely easy to use. Now, there's different areas you can use this in, or different ways that you can use this product. Number one, you can use it as a drying aid. Drying aids are very effective to help reduce the chance of water spotting, but also providing a lot of gloss after you're done drying your car to make your car look amazing after a wash. Another way to use this, use it before or during when you're at a car show, or even when you have your car parked in your garage. You know, spray waxes, I would say 90% of the time are used on those garage queens, or used in that instance where you just want to get out, get some car care therapy. Spray wax is no different. This is something that really is easy to use, but also provides a ton of gloss on your garage queen, or a ton of gloss for when you want that showroom shine at a car show. Now, when you're using a spray wax, it's best to use it in sort of a protection silo, right? There's a lot of different silos of protection, meaning there's ceramic coatings, there's sealants, and there's waxes. If you have a wax on your car, if you put a paste wax or even a liquid wax like Adams Polishes Buttery Wax, this product here is going to be the best thing for those waxed cars, okay? Spray wax is going to help bolster or help continue those thick layers of wax protection on your car. And again, because it's made out of wax, it's going to work really well in that silo of wax protection. Now, don't get this confused that you can't use this on any other protection layer, okay? This actually includes some SiO2 protection in here, allowing it to work with something like a ceramic coating. Now, with the SiO2 protection here, not only can you use it with the ceramic coating, but it also bolsters the protection in this bottle. It makes it more durable. So aside from a traditional spray wax, which is only made from carnauba or only made from carnauba and silicone, this having the SiO2 protection in it bolsters it, makes it work longer, last longer, and provide maybe that extra set of protection that you're kind of looking for, that extra long lasting protection you're looking for. Finding the right product that's going to provide the best shine and the best glow for your car can sometimes be confusing. Look no further. Adams Polishes Spray Wax is going to provide that. And remember, this can work on a ceramic coated vehicle, a sealed vehicle, or even a wax vehicle. This product is so versatile, but the one thing that is tried and true is it's going to provide the shine that you've been looking for. Adams Polishes Spray Wax, grab a bottle today.